everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for WriteSonic account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in writesonic.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, click the sign in link at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the login area. If you've forgotten your password for your WriteSonic account, then simply click on the lost your password link beneath the sign in with password button. Now enter your email address that you've registered with for WriteSonic. After you type it in, click continue. A confirmation email will be sent to your email address. Open up your email inbox on a new tab and click open the email that you received from Team WriteSonic. Click on verify email address and you'll be taken to a process from where you can reset your password. Type in the new password you would like to use for your account. After you type it in, confirm the password by retyping it again on the next field. After you type in the new password in both of the boxes, click continue. Now, you have successfully updated your password. Next time you log into your account for WriteSonic, type in your email address associated with the account in the sign in area and click on sign in with password. Now, enter the new password that you reset to and click sign in. That way, you'll be able to reset your password for writesonic.com account if you've forgotten it during logging in. But remember that you recently changed your password to something else in order to get access to your account. That was how you can easily reset your password for WriteSonic if you've forgotten your password during logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.